These jumper cables might refresh the battery. Just gotta open the hood.
Oh.
Hey, Leo, try starting the car now.
Whoa. Oh, shit. This piece of junk. It actually worked.
Yeah, I told you so. Sometimes, you just gotta have a little faith.
Faith, huh? Well, I was doubting.
Next time, just trust me, okay?
Yeah, right.
Yes? No, I don't know. It was a while ago. We need your help now, officer. Okay, hurry up, please. Absolutely. Thank you.
Are the police on their way yet?
Yes, they'll be here any minute.
Okay, I'll go take care of them.
No, just stay here.
It's all right. Just wait here. I'll be fine. Filthy scum!
Oh, shit! Take cover!
You're gonna pay for this!
Come on, let's go!
Yeah.
You drive!
Come on, come on. Yeah.
Come on! Go, 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 go!
Damn it!
Hey, Vincent! We've got cops coming! Step on it! Get this piece of shit going faster!
Just sit down, Leo! You're gonna fall off!
All right, here we go!
Here they come! Hold on back there!
Just focus on driving, man! I'll keep them off our backs! Faster, faster!
Try to hold them back!
Right, I'm doing my best!
Oh, God! Whoa! Out of the way! Out of the way! Oh, shit! This is gonna be tight! Oh, God! Whoa! Oh, shit! This is gonna be tight! That was a close one!
Come on, come on! I'll take him down!
What happened? You okay?
I'm fine, keep going! I'm not giving it that easy! Come on, come on!
Shit!
Keep going, come on!
Yeah. Hold on back there!
Come on, come on!
Don't you dare come close! Where did all these cars come from? Out of the way! This goddamn car can't go any faster! Come on!
Come on, Mason, just keep it steady! Here you go, you cops!
Damn it!
Come on, come on!
Hold on back there! This might get bumpy!
I can't hit anything while you drive like an ass!
I'm doing my best over here! Oh, shit! Ah, God damn it! You okay back there?
What do you think? You drive like an idiot!
I'm trying my best here, God damn it!
Drive better!
Trucks are out! We got him now! All units to the south of the bridge!
Stop! You're under arrest!
Stay where you are! Freeze!
You okay?
Stop! Yeah, yeah! Let's go! Come on!
Get those bastards! Come on! Go, go, go!
Vincent, run! We can't stay here! Shit! Vincent, let's take the boat! Come on! Vincent, get over here and help me with this boat! Come on, go, go, go! Push! Push! Where the hell does this river take us?
I have no idea, but the further away, the better.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
All right, start rowing. We need to get going.
Hey, Vincent,
Yeah?
I think I saw something in the water.
It's probably a shark, Leo.
What do you mean? There are no sharks in this water.
How do you know?
It's sweet water.
You're a clever guy, Leo.
But I really saw something, though. Probably a fish.
Yeah, whatever. That fish.
Probably salmon.
You know what? It could have been a crocodile.
Seriously? I don't like crocodiles.
Well, watch out then.
Hey, Vincent,
Yeah.
think there aren't any bears in these woods?
There are probably bears in these waters, Leo.
Ha! Like I'd believe that.
Go to the right. Looks like our peaceful boat ride is over. Some Looks like our peaceful boat ride is over. Some rough streams ahead. Check for the rock. Hold on.
Shark front!
Okay, right. Hey, watch out. Some rough streams up ahead.
Come on, go right!
Wouldn't it be faster if I just jumped in and swam? Yeah, sure. You try that. I'll just stay in the boat.
I think we're through the worst of it. The rest is just a smooth ride.
Paddle to the left, left. I think you spoke too soon, Leo. Look straight ahead.
Holy shit! Ah! Oh! Shit! Oh! I think we're through the worst of it. The rest is just a smooth ride.
I think you spoke too soon, Leo. Look straight ahead.
Holy shit! Ah! Oh! See that?
Paddle, paddle, damn it. Waterfall, waterfall! We're not done yet.
What? Watch out for that rock! Watch out! The fuck? Vincent!
Yeah,
I'm coming!
all right. Yeah,
I'm coming!
all right.
Grab my hand!
Yeah.
Come on, grab it!
You okay? I'm okay.
Let's get out of here.
All right.
What of you, huh?
Yeah. So? What happens now?
Look. I know what you're thinking. But going after Harvey won't be easy.
I know. But I'm going after him, with or without you.
You want to end up dead?
I want him gone. He's a cold-blooded killer. The world's gonna be a better place without him. You never told me, Leo. What is your story with Harvey?
Before I got busted, me and Harvey made a huge score.
Bank job?
Nah. You ever heard of a Black Orlov?
Are you serious? The diamond? How the hell'd you pull that off?
A lot of planning and a bit of luck.
So what happened?
Everything was going our way. We even had a buyer. But that greedy fuck had other plans.
It's all there. Count it.
Looks about right.
Of course it is. You can always trust me.
I'm not trusting nobody, my friend. Here you go. What do you think?
It's heavier than I thought.
It is.
Pleasure doing business with you guys.
You too.
Give me the case!
What the fuck are you doing?
Give me the fucking case, Leo! Hand it over, now! It's nothing personal, it's just business. Give me the briefcase.
Next thing I know, I'm surrounded by cops.
That's rough. I'm sorry.
Oh, trust me. He's the one who's gonna be sorry. I'm making things right. For me. And for my family.
So do you know where Harvey is right now?
I know one of his guys, Ray. He'll know for sure.
So? What are we waiting for? Let's go after him.
You really want to... No.
Like I said, with or without you, I'm going after him.
Okay.
All right. Where can we find this Ray guy?
Don't worry, he's gonna be easy to find. But I need to make sure my family's safe first.
Of course.
Let's go.
Don't go too far, Alex.
Mom? Mom!
What is it, honey? What's wrong? Oh, shit. Alex? Alex?
Leo, can I ask you something personal?
Yeah, sure.
How do you and your wife manage to stay together in this line of work?
We've always been together. You know, she knows me better than I know myself. I was 12 when we met at the orphanage.
Orphanage?
You could say that my parents didn't do their job.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Don't be. I barely remember them. Besides, I was fortunate enough to have Linda. She was crazy. You know, we used to run away together. Steal ice cream, cigarettes, shit. It's always been us against the world. Still is. No matter what. That's just how it is.
Sounds great.
All right, keep an eye out for my family. It's a woman and a boy, about this size.
You don't know where they live?
They had to move while I was inside.
I see.
Let's just have a look around.
I'm sure we'll find them.
Yeah.
Life looks rough out here.
You got that right.
Never actually set foot in a place like this before.
Oh, yeah? Mr. Fancy Pants with a college degree and a banking job?
Not like any of that helped. I'm here with you now.
Should be happy. I'm great to be around.
Keep telling yourself that. Anyway, let's find your family.
I'm looking for someone.
So am I. My goddamn husband. He better be back soon.
What'd he do?
That bastard's been cheating on me, and nobody cheats on Martha.
I guess he didn't know that. Good luck anyway.
If you see him, you let me know.
I'll tell you what. If I see him, I'll think about it.
Yeah?
Hey, what's going on in there?
Never mind what's going on. What you want?
Cletus, come on, honey.
I'm coming, sugar. Calm down.
I'm getting cold in my lady parts.
Okay. I got to go. Bye now.
That gotta be that lady's husband. Maybe I should tell her. Hey, lady,
Did you find him?
come with me. I might have an idea of where your husband is. You see that trailer over there?
Yes.
All yours.
Oh, he's gonna get it now. What the hell are you doing?
Martha!
Nobody cheats
Well, it
on
ain't like
Martha.
that, honey.
I don't want to get this close to a pickup with you again, man. I'm sure you're having a rough day, but I'm looking for someone. A woman and
A woman, huh? I used to have a gorgeous woman and money and just... Look at me now.
My heart goes out to you, buddy. But I got my own problems. I'm looking for my girl.
Are you rich?
What does that have to do with anything?
I'm just saying. If you are and then you go poor, she's going to leave you.
You know what? I'll leave you to it. Hey,
Hey, what's up?
can I take a swing?
Yep, go ahead.
Thanks. Shit! Boom! Shit! Damn it!
Hi there.
Hey, you interested?
I'll do a few pitches.
All right, go ahead.
Thank you.
Boom!
Good hit.
Oh yeah, curveball.
Shit!
Good hit.
Damn it!
Yeah!
That'll do for now. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay, I'm good.
Sure. Nice batting.
Hey, Leo. I think I see your kid down there. Let's check it out. Hey, Leo, come here.
Hey, Linda! Over here!
Leo! Hey!
Cops.
Afternoon, ma'am. Everything all right around here?
What do you want?
Mind if we ask you a few questions?
Yeah, I do mind. I'm kind of busy here.
Ma'am, your husband is broken out of prison.
Stop calling me ma'am, okay? I have no clue where he is.
Listen, if he tries to make contact with you, you let us know.
Yeah, sure. Goodbye.
We should be fine now.
All right.
We good?
Of course we are. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Good. Hey, Alex! Look who's here!
Alex! Hey, buddy.
Don't worry, Leo. He's just a little bit upset.
He found out?
Yeah, he saw it in the papers.
Oh, shit.
It's okay, baby. Come here. So, is this the guy?
Yeah, this is, Vincent.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Hey.
Linda, I need to tell you what's going down.
Yes, but first, you need to go talk to Alex.
Of course. Hey, did the cops bother you?
No more than I can handle.
What'd they say?
You know, the usual bullshit.
Oh, trust me, I know. How you holding up?
Leo, listen. We can talk later. Go check up on Alex first.
Okay, I will. Work of an artist. Hey, Alex.
Leave me alone.
Those were happier times.
Hey, I could use your help. Can you get something for me?
Oh, man.
You needed help with something?
Yeah, I do. Grab me a wrench from the shed over there, please.
Absolutely, ma'am. Here you go, ma'am.
Thanks.
All right.
Want to start it up for me?
Yeah, I could do that.
Go ahead.
Bullseye.
All right, I got this. Watch me.
It was all right. Well, it works.
Come on, buddy. Come on, just let me up. Alex. Hey. What's this? Hey, look, your sign is broken. Why don't you come down and help me fix it? No? All right. Don't worry, I'll fix it for you. Let's see. I think I'm gonna need a hammer.
Holy crap. Bullseye.
I'm the master.
Oh, this sign is beautiful. Alex, you should come down and see it. I love you, buddy. I love you so much.
You wanna play some basketball?
Sure. But you know I'm better than you at basketball, right?
No, you're not.
Yes I am. You wanna shoot some hoops?
That could be fun, but maybe we should get going.
Oh, come on, just one game?
Come on, Vincent.
Okay, guys, one game.
Get ready to lose, boy.
I'm gonna win.
Ah, you know I'll win.
Are you guys ready?
Oh, we're ready. Let's go.
Okay. Daddy, pass it to me.
Catch, buddy.
Vincent, pass the ball.
Heads up.
Here.
Yay, I scored!
You're good, Alex. Really good.
You think?
Yeah, you should become a pro.
Really?
I'll be right back.
Yeah, okay. You're a natural talent. You're way better than us two.
I'm gonna be the
Hey,
best.
beautiful.
Hey. Well, would you look at that? You guys seem to be getting along all right.
We are. But I need to get going soon.
Yeah, I know. I'm just happy to see him smile again.
Yeah, me too.
Come on, let's talk.
So, this is home now?
Not for long.
Alex,
If the
here you
cops
go.
found us, then Harvey could too. We gotta get moving.
You know what? Let's just leave. Let's get out of here.
And you really think Harvey will leave us alone?
That murdering bastard. How the fuck could I trust him?
It is what it is. This is the life we chose, Leo. Let's just deal with it.
Yeah. I'm gonna set things right. I'm going after Harvey. He's not gonna
Heads
get
up.
away with this. Linda, any idea where Ray is?
Ray, what do you want with that asshole?
I need to find him. I'm sure he knows where Harvey's hiding. Have you seen him lately?
Yeah, he's working at that new construction site downtown.
Okay, good. I need you to be ready to leave the country as soon as I'm back.
Don't worry about that, I'll take care of it. You just make sure to get back safe, okay?
Yeah,
No, don't just yeah me. Get back safe or I'll kick your ass.
okay, I promise. By the way, do you still have that piece?
I do. Wait. Here you go.
I love you.
I love you too.
Did you see my shots?
Yeah, you were really good. Like I said, you're a real pro.
You think?
Nice going, buddy. Look, I have to leave now.
Do you?
Yeah, I do. But you take care of your mom now, all right?
Can we play one more game?
Next time, I promise. Now, come on, give me a hug. All right, buddy. Go to your